Hello everyone. Today we are having a special guest. His name is Dr. Path Goyal, and he is from Delhi, right?
No, I'm from Gwalior.
Gwalior, where it is?
It is like just 300 kilometers south of Delhi.
South of Delhi. Okay, yeah. Then he came from there to Bangalore, so I got a chance to meet him and take an interview. And he has just now completed MBBS, and he is following vegan from past 9 years or how?
Yeah, I'm
Past
vegan
9 years.
since 9 years.
9 years, and he is now plant-based diet following that, and one-time cooked food, and most of them is like vegetables or not fruits, only fruits,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so my diet is mostly vegan, so I'm completely vegan. No animal products, no milk, meat, eggs, anything. And I take one time cooked meal. Sometimes it can be two, depending on the situation. So I'm not that much strict on that. And rest my breakfast is always almost fruit. Like
Yeah.
fruits only.
So you can introduce yourself beginning. People doesn't
Sure,
know about you, like what you are doing and what
Sure.
you have done, all those things.
Sure, sure. So actually, I'm Parth, and I starting from my studies. I'm a doctor, and I cleared NEET, the medical entrance exam. It is, and I scored 670 in it, 670 out of
Wow.
720, which means I got AI at 223. So it is among AI at 223, All India rank 223 among 15 lakh students. So that was the thing. And secondly, I also have a YouTube channel which have around 7 lakh 50,000 subscribers. I teach regarding biology and chemistry, and I also mentor many students who are preparing for medical entrance, that is NEET UG. Apart from this, I have also written 2 books on biology and chemistry, and I try many things, and I'm very much like kind of a curious person, ki, like food diet, veganism, entrepreneurship, books writing. These are all the things that which are different from the mainstream that people do in college. So that is somehow my personality, that I try many different kind of things that are not done previously by any person or any student.
Nice. That's very nice. Like so many things you have done. It's a great achievement. Like may I know the age you are?
So my age is
25?
21. Sorry.
21? Okay, sorry. So, okay, see, 21 guy, and he has done so many achievement. And I want to ask you, like, just now you completed MBBS, and what are the, different thing you see, like, nowadays doctors, they should know about this. What do you feel like? What are the difference between, like, your diet, education is there, you have taken from other side, and now you have pursued MBBS. What is the difference, and what you think
Yeah.
that nowadays education they required in MBBS?
Sure. So actually, what I think is ki, the thing is ki in MBBS, what we learn about medicine, we learn about diseases, we learn from the start that what are the risk factors, what are the common causes, what are the pathology, like pathogenesis, how are diseases develop in the body, what are the treatment options, and what are the prevention options. We learn all about these things, and to be honest, when we talk about the study part, the books part, they have everything on the research basis, so there is nothing wrong written in them. And talking about fruit diet, so it is something new, it is not in the mainstream books, just because it is not researched that much well, right? So that's the problem. Even when we study about medicine, we learn about the side effects also. It is told very heavily, and we have to remember the side effects. There are so many mnemonics we have made to remember the side effects of each drugs, and it is emphasized on. It is not something which is not emphasized
Yeah.
during studies. But when it comes to practice, people are more focused on making profits than really treating the patients. And especially when patient is also not cooperating, they also want medicines, not diet changes or lifestyle changes. That's where things happen wrongly, and the side effects come in. And doctor, even after knowing the side effect, they have to prescribe medicine because they cannot do anything else, because they have to make profits also. Similarly, this happens in surgery also, because there are many surgeries like hysterectomy, removal of uterus is a very common surgery which happens whenever there is a uterine problem like tumor or fibroid or something which are very much which is grown very much. And the thing is ki people do it because surgery say there is huge amount of money you can earn. and after that there is a postmenopausal syndrome, postmenopausal. After hysterectomy, what happens that the estrogen and progesterone, the hormone the uterus makes, that is not present. So there are many side effects of it after
Okay.
hysterectomy, uterus removal, because the bone get weak. The
Oh.
the lady suffer from vasomotor symptoms, mean there is sudden sweating and बहुत सा अजीब सा उसको लगने लगता है. And फिर for that they give HRT, hormone replacement therapy, in which they artificially give that same estrogen progesterone which uterus used to make. अब now that HRT also has side effect that it increase cardiovascular problems.
Oh.
So this is all the problem is कि we cannot replace what actually body do with any artificial hormones. So that is the problem, because our body is very complex and it cannot be solved just by a few chemicals. That is the thing.
Yeah, like even I want to know that in medical you have completed this MBBS, and do you have in that course anything about the nutrition, about how to follow the diet proper way, or about the nutrition thing?
Yeah. So talking about nutrition MBBS, there are few topics in some subject, like in biochemistry we learn about nutrition, protein, carbohydrate, glucose metabolism, how they function, how when we eat, what happens to the glucose and everything. And in preventive social medicine, there's a subject PSM. We learn about balanced diet. We learn about protein, malnutrition. Like you may know Kwashiorkor marasmus, which is a thing ki when there is a low levels of protein, low levels of carbohydrate, low levels of fat in the body, what happens? कि उसमें फिर we have to give high fruit diet, high fat rich diet we have to give, like lipids we have to give, oil we have to give. So these all are studied, but this all is teach. But the thing is कि we never talk that much deeply on the lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid. That is not taught that much on the basis of diet, because again we think na कि diet is meant for dietitian, not for doctors. So our course is already so much big that I don't think that the diet portion is very less, and that is mostly focused on balanced diet and keeping protein, carbohydrate and fat normal, and somewhat micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. This is how this ends. But no one talks about how fruit can help, how fruit slows the digestion, or how fruit is easy to digest. That's why we can heal fastly. That is something which is not researched well. That's why it's not taught well, and that is something we can gain by experience. Like we are doing in Eat Fruits and Heal since 2 years, and we are seeing people are getting reversing the diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and that is not actually research why it is happening, why on fruits it is happening. If we go in the molecular level, it can be very much complex. So that's maybe the reason.
Yeah. So can you tell about yourself that you became vegan 9 years ago, and how it was, like how come it came to you, like how you started taking this veganism, and afterwards like how you started changing your lifestyle, and what makes you to do this?
Sure. So actually, it happened with my grandfather who died in 2014. I was a very small kid back then. I was going through my 7th class ke exams, and suddenly I was sleeping, and suddenly my bua came, and she said कि छोटू दादा जी नहीं रहे. I was called Chotu. My pet name was Chotu
Okay.
home, and it was the first death which I ever seen in my life, and it shook me. It shook my father also. Ki what happened? We were living a normal life. We were living a healthy life. We were very religious persons. We used to, like my grandfather used to daily go to mandir with my grandmother and do everything. And we used to take simple normal milk and जो भी normal Indian traditional Indian diet we used to take. And then slowly my father started researching on it. Earlier he didn't have any kind of previous any study. He was not at all somewhat a health interested person. इनसे कि he didn't had any degree of any biology, or we can say dietitian, or we can say doctor, any kind of, there is no previous history. He was a kind of a businessman, and from then he started researching, and then he came to know about vegan diet, that vegan, why we have to become vegan, and how cows are also facing cruelty, not only humans. मतलब ये humans are causing problems to not only us but also to the animals. And how vegan diet is simply a best diet, and it like simply removes remove the suffering from us and animals also. So instantly that clicked my father, and then it clicked me also, and I became vegan with my father, and slowly our family also adopted veganism. And from then it is since 9 years we are vegan. After that I have also seen that my studies also improved after becoming vegan. I was a very kind of average student in my class कि तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा अपनी लाइफ में, तो ऐसे ही
Like you want to say that you are a dull student at time.
like no, I was very dull. My all cousins outperformed me
Oh,
from
wow.
my paternal part. Both were very good in studies, and I was something कि मतलब ये तो बहुत ऐसे छोटे से शहर में है. My school was also very average, and मतलब I was very average school and student. तो मतलब पापा का धंधा ही संभालेगा kind of people used to say. And I never knew कि I had so much mind in myself. And after becoming vegan, I thought somehow it unlocked, my brain unlocked, and it realized its true potentials. And after that I cleared both JEE and NEET, the toughest exams of India, in which I was a PCMB student. I scored 90% in class 12th, in which I scored 95 in both maths, biology, chemistry. So out of 100. So this was a very big thing for me. And with it I cleared, as I said, I cleared 200. I got 223 All India rank in NEET. Plus I also cleared JEE Advanced, which is the toughest exam of India, to be honest. And I got AI at 5,000 in it.
Wow.
So it is something very exceptional to say, because the people are not able to clear single exam. I'm clearing both. So I think somehow I got some extra powers from that vegan diet, or because it is somehow easy to digest. Our brain get more power, and it is a very good fuel apart from the milk, and which is very hard to digest, and वो food भी अच्छा नहीं है. So this is all I
Yeah, see, if you are looking for your children to get more marks or whatever it is, you have to follow paths. So he's the best example. See, when we start give healthy food to our body, automatically everything's open up, and it will be more beneficial for us. So yeah, it's a good thing. And how you tackled your generation? Now young generation is there, right? Everyone are more into junk food, all those things. And how you tackle this in your generation, with your friends and all? How did you face this situation, and how you came up?
Actually, till my class 12th, I was a very studious person. So I used to just study, and my friends were also just study. So I was the toppers, पूरा वो एक औरा था, और we were the toppers of the batch. And so they were kind of मतलब it was a very good time of my life, and we were very goal oriented and focused. But when we came into college, so there are a wide variety of people. I have 180 batchmates, and someone is doing दारू सुट्टा, someone is studying, someone is कुछ, ठीक है. So somehow मतलब we get exposure, when we talk, तो कोई कुछ कर रहा है, हमें भी लगता है. And then I thought मतलब थोड़ा difficult था मेरे लिए and MBBS, because no one was like me in my college, because veganism is something underrated. People are more inclined कि अच्छा कौन सी ब्रांड की बियर पीता है, ठीक है, कौन सा स्मोकिंग, कौन सी मतलब ब्रांड की सुट्टा मारता है. तो ये मतलब इट इज़ मोर प्रिवलेंट, और इट इज़ मोर शो ऑफ वाला वो चीज़. तो वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा एक मार्जिनलाइजेशन और वी कैन से थोड़ा सा एक अलग रहना पड़ा. विद आई वाज नॉट एबल टू दैट मच घुल मिल पा रहा था विद द फ्रेंड्स. बट इट्स ओके. आई थिंक कि बीइंग वीगन इज समवॉट थोड़ा सा अपार्ट फ्रॉम सोसाइटी. ऑलरेडी वी हैव फेस दैट कि सब लोग अलग बोल रहे हैं, हम अलग चल रहे हैं. तो इट वॉज समवॉट नॉर्मलाइज्ड. प्लस आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड कि चलो this is always time pass ki college mein we are roaming with friends and doing chill. So I used to I was very oriented. I wanted to do something big in life. So I started my YouTube channel. I started teaching juniors, which was a very fun thing. And then I wrote my books also. So I also always wanted to be a self-independent and earn money through my own deeds, not from my father. So these were all my, so कि वो अकेला चलोने वाला है कि ना, अगर आपको कुछ लाइफ में बड़ा करना है तो अकेले ही चलना पड़ेगा. तो यही है. आज अगर मैं कुछ भी अपना गिनाता हूँ तो वो अकेले चल पाया, वो था. एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि जो भी मैंने अपनी लाइफ में किया, मे बी आई हैव डन लेस मज़े इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि मतलब घूमना फिरना है सब, लेकिन आज मैं शायद ज़्यादा घूम पा रहा हूँ और आगे की लाइफ में और ज़्यादा घूम पाऊँगा कंपेयर टू माई।
other colleagues,
हाँ,
other
colleagues,
friends,
yeah.
right?
तो ये है, तो थोड़ा सा एक टाइम पे आपको खुद मेहनत करना पड़ती है और अच्छे से मतलब मेहनत को डोंट टेक इट एज अ मेहनत, टेक इट एज अ थिंग यू आर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन एंड देन ओनली यू कैन सक्सीड इन इट।
Yeah, that's nice. And can you tell about your books? You have written 2 books, right?
Yeah.
Can you just brief out what it is, what exactly?
Sure. Actually, they are very unique books. They are not, because in NEET category, you can say there is a very big business. Okay, there are lots of money involved, lots of anything, and giving a successful book in that thing, being an MBBS student is very difficult. So it was based on my idea. One idea we used to apply during my during my NEET days. So it was something ki I used to. It was very hard for me to remember the terminologies in biology, because biology is total रट्टाफिकेशन, और अगर याद नहीं रहा तो फिर कुछ मतलब नहीं। MBBS also रट्टाफिकेशन, मतलब देयर आर सो मैनी मेडिसिन, सबका नाम, फिर उसका साइड इफ़ेक्ट, यूजेस वगैरह सब। तो उसको कैसे हम जो है हैक कर पाएँ, कैसे हम इजीली चीज़ों को याद रख पाएँ कम टाइम के अंदर। तो डैट वाज समथिंग विच आई डिस्कवर्ड, एक टेक्निक मैंने निकाली थी ड्यूरिंग माई नीट डेज। तो वो चीज़ मैंने आई मेड अ बुक ओवर इट कि कैसे उसको करना है, कैसे बायोलॉजी को यू कैन रिमेंबर इजीली। और आई नेम्ड द बुक बायो हैक, ठीक है। तो आई हैक द बायोलॉजी की कैसे यू कैन रिमेंबर फास्टली, हैप्पीली, मतलब टेंशन के साथ भी नहीं, मज़े से याद भी हो रहा है और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें भी आप याद करके अच्छे मार्क्स ला रहे हो। तो आई रिटन लाइक 3 years बिफोर, एंड from them many students have got benefit. They got full out of full 360 out of 360.
Wow, that's a
from my
great
books.
thing.
And like I can say in today's time over thousands of students use it. So, my YouTube channel, because of my YouTube channel I give students, and I've also given free PDFs. You can use it if you are a NEET aspirant or something. So I have given, and many people use it. तो मतलब ये था कि बच्चों को देना अपनी तरफ से कि हम रहे हैं उस पॉइंट में, तो जो प्रॉब्लम्स वी हैव फेस कम से कम आए स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब जो भी मेरे से कनेक्टेड हैं, दे डू नॉट फेस। तो उसके लिए मैंने उसको दिया था फ्री में। बाकी बाद में भी मेड अ बुक आउट ऑफ इट, तो वो सब तो ठीक था, बट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू। और टुडेस टाइम मैनी स्टूडेंट इन कोटा लाइक स्टडी, मैनी ऑफ माई बैच में टेल कि यार ना वो हमारा ये जान पहचान वाला वो तेरी बुक यूज़ करता है, ठीक है।
Then you feel proud, right?
हाँ,
that
तो
time.
वो अच्छा लगता है काफ़ी। बट यही है कि ज़्यादा प्राउड भी नहीं करना है, मतलब लाइफ में कंटिन्यूस करते रहना चाहिए। कई बार आपको ना वो भी होता है, मतलब दिस हैज़ हैपेंड मैनी टाइम्स विद मी कि जैसे इवन व्हेन आई वाज, अभी थोड़े दिनों पहले आई वाज ऑन अ ट्रिप आफ्टर माई एग्जाम। तो वहाँ पर आई गॉट टू सम, मतलब आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू ऋषिकेश एंड थ्रू दैट इफ़ यू गोन जानकी झूला, एंड देन सम पीपल रिकग्नाइज मी, सम स्टूडेंट्स कि अरे आप वही हो, यूट्यूब पे देखा है आपको पार्थ। तो मतलब ऐसा बहुत बार हो चुका है, अब थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो चुका है। तो ऐसा मतलब देन वी स्टार्टेड टू फील ना कि वो राजा वाली मेंटेलिटी की ना, वो तुम बहुत बड़े आदमी बन गए। तो वो भी नहीं करना होता है आपको, मतलब डाउन ग्राउंडेड रहना रहता है, तभी आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो। तो यही है मेरा feeling.
Yeah, if you feel proud, that is also
हाँ.
good, because if you feel like Raja, you have to
हाँ.
serve like Raja also,
हाँ.
right? Raja's duty is to serve people, right? That you can do it in a positive way. So yeah, that's a good thing. Like many students can take a benefit of Path, and you can go to his channel and look into that, and you can take benefit that also. And thank you, Path, for coming here and giving little time to us and taking this interview. And thank you so much. And yeah, I want to ask one last question. What's your dream? If you have one dream, like can we hear that dream? Like what is your dream?
I just wanted to make Earth a very beautiful and very peaceful place, and remove all the bad things. Like nowadays youngsters are more moving towards alcoholism and smoking. मतलब this has become a trend. And in my college I see that people who don't used to do now are doing it after 3 years 4 years. They just thought कि यार चलो ये करके देखते हैं, and then they are doing it. तो there are a lot of population which is going to the wrong way. I just want कि यार if we can go to right way and just make everyone happier, our environment happier, our animals happier, and we ourselves happier.
Yeah.
That also, this is all veganism is about, and this is all plant-based nutrition. All the people who are trying something in the field of nutrition, like Sati movement, and these all want to do this thing ना, कि सब लोग happy हैं, तो वो ही करना है बस। उसी को अच्छा से करना है.
Yeah, that's why even I am taking interview to send this message to you directly, and that message makes your life a little different, and you also can become anything whatever you want. And let's make all of us together this world happiness, full of happiness.
Sure.
Yeah.
One thing I want to add, like in Bangalore, people are facing water crisis, and this is something which will happen if not controlled. If we are not controlling the things, then it will happen gradually in all cities, and maybe after 200, maybe 100, 200 years in the whole world, the water crisis, it is happening. है ना? Water is not unlimited to us. If we use continuously in the bad way, like meat diet use water very high amount compared to plant based diets. So if we there is a one quote of गांधी जी कि हमारे पास सब कुछ है जितना हमें चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पास ऐसा इतना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है जितना हमें ग्रीड है. If there is a greed, then we don't have that much amount of thing in the earth. ठीक है, तो that is all I want to say कि ultimately long term में we are going to face many problems. कोयला ख़त्म होने वाला है तो फिर उसके बाद पावर की दिक्कत आएगी, पानी ख़त्म हो रहा है, सब कुछ ख़त्म हो रहा है, एंड इवन फिशेस ख़त्म हो रही हैं. बहुत सारे मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ, तो इवन देयर इज़ समथिंग कि अर्लियर जितना फिश एक नेट में आता था अब उतना नहीं आता है व्हेन दे पुट. तो फिर अब फिश को सब्सिडाइज कर रही है सरकार, क्योंकि फिश स्टेबल है जैसे थाईलैंड वगैरह में. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या है कि ये सब चीज़ें कब तक चलेंगी? नहीं है ये सब चीज़ें पॉसिबल नहीं है आगे कंटिन्यू कर पाना इस तरीके से. ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती जा रही है, और तो अल्टीमेटली यही है कि अगर आपको ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन को बढ़ाना है तो कम से कम आपने जो हम खा रहे हैं, जो हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, उसको ही हम कम से कम लो लेवल पे लेके आएँ, जो कम पानी से बने, कम खान से, मतलब कम जो है अर्थ के डिस्ट्रक्शन से बने. दैट इज़ प्लांट बेस्ड डाइट. तो अल्टीमेटली अगर हमें ज़िंदा रहना है, अगर हम अपने बच्चों को ज़िंदा रहना चाहते हैं, वो अच्छे से जी हम पाएँ जैसे हम पानी के साथ जी पा रहे हैं, तो फिर अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू गो टू वीगनिज्म. दैट्स ओनली द ऑप्शन.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the message he wanted to give you all, and that is the best thing if we follow that. Earth has given so much to us, and we can give this much, only a little bit, by following healthy lifestyle and veganism, so that you are reducing a lot of wastage actually. So yeah, that's the message, today's message, and thank you Goel, and thank you
ma'am, for
everyone.
inviting me.
Yeah, thank you, namaste.